Hello, my name is Dolores Čutkova. I am a director of Ergon. I like doing social business.
Hello, my name is Rostislav Zavitsan and I am the chairman of board of Ergon and also the managing director of SteelTech.cz, the biggest supplier of work for social company Ergon. We've been developing the cooperation between HAL Global Business and social business for more than 12 years. It's been great challenge and satisfaction as well.
My name is Romana Belova and I am a member of the General Assembly and a project coordinator. I am keen in international cooperation. Why we are doing social business in the industrial world? Because we want to see almost 200 people with different types of disabilities changing their lives thanks to job opportunities in Ergon. We also want to see increased social business as an inspiration for others in the business and not-for-profit world. We do it because we are sure that it is worth to enable people with disabilities being a full members in the society.